Thank you.
Welcome, Carlos. Thank you for being with us. I would like to ask you, what is Siemens Vertical Water and Wastewater really about?
So, welcome everyone. Hello. Thank you for the introduction. So, as Bernd mentioned, we have in our vertical approach, we have specialized know-how in different industries. For water, what we want to achieve is to help our customers to achieve their sustainable water and wastewater management targets. Yeah. Regarding automation, but not only automation, from a vertical perspective, also including electrification and digitalization.
Okay, thank you. And just a question. For me, if I'm like an external customer, what's really the add value for me to collaborate with you?
So, okay, first of all, the first point that you see here is our expert know-how. So we are really dedicated on developing this specialized know-how in the industry, in this case for water and wastewater. So we developed not products, but we developed solutions and applications. So we take our existing portfolio and we bundle it in a way that creates added value in form of applications and solutions for the water industry. We also develop, we call it technical concepts, which have a customer impact of high added value, right? Like, for example, cybersecurity, which is a very important topic in our industry. So we develop reference architectures that are certified according to the IEC norm, especially for water and wastewater plants. Just as an example, we develop standardization concepts for the water industry, also energy optimization concepts. This is a very important topic in our industry. Just to give you a little bit of background information, so 5% of the energy consumption worldwide is generated by wastewater treatment plants. 5% of all industries, across all industries. So the demand of energy is very high. And of course, we want to help our customers to generate an impact on them, helping them optimize their energy consumption needs.
Very impressive. But just a question, because we know all that it's hard to communicate with Siemens, it's really complicated to get through them. So how can we really collaborate with you? If, for example, I'm an integrator and I'm interested in water and wastewater, how can I do that process like smoothly without going through 50% to get to you?
Yeah, you're right. It's sometimes a little bit complicated, but I mean, I think the idea of this event is also to have to know each other, that you know a face, a contact partner. In this case, I'm here for you regarding water and wastewater for factory automation. And how can we collaborate? I mean, I see very specific points where I think a collaboration could be very, very important. So first of all, we have a network of industry experts worldwide, yeah, that are dedicated to develop our business in the water industry. So the access to these experts, I think it's quite interesting, also for you as partners. We have the system integrators and partners in general for all products in factory automation are very important for us. Yeah? In water, it's especially important because the market is very fragmented. So the only way to reach the market is through partners. Even with this strong network that we have from the Siemens side, it will be just impossible. So just to give you a little bit rough idea, in Germany we have around 12,000 end customers. So impossible to reach just from the Siemens side. So that's why we need also you as a partner in a collaboration. And we put a lot of emphasis and importance on the push-pull approach. We're constantly working also from Siemens side to specify a specification for Siemens with planning and consulting institutes. But we need this push-pull approach, right? We need also the side from the system integrators so that we can together specify Siemens for different projects in the water industry.
Okay, well, that's great. And just for my note, because I'm curious, do you have any use case for water and wastewater where WinCC OA have been used?
Yeah, we have many.
Just give one. Just give.
Yeah. No. I think in general we notice that WinCC OA is a product that is being in great demand in the water industry, and this demand is just increasing. We just had our very first project, for example, in Brazil, with WinCC OA overall, and it was for the water industry. But if I have to mention one project, one interesting one we had last year, it was here in Germany. It was for a long-distance water supply project. It's called Elbaue Ost-Harz. And this is a long-distance water supply network that goes over 800 kilometers, serving 3 different federal states in Germany, around 3 million people. So this was done with WinCC OA. The motto of this company is no day without water. So therefore, topics like availability, redundancy were very important for the customer. And a very, very important factor was also that it was future-oriented, right? So this project that they implemented is meant to be running for the next 50, 60 years. So they know that they're going to be having different expansions, there are going to be changes in the system, and they wanted to have a process control system that was meant for the future.
Okay, well, thank you, Carlos, for the explanation regarding water and wastewater. Guys, you know the face now, and he's here, and he's like us. We like to talk, we like to chat. Thank you, Carlos.
Thank you.